Hello, this is Conversa Solutions, and welcome to our walkthrough of using a DPC code to add Ensemble onto your device. In order to use the DPC code to install Ensemble onto your device, first, navigate to your Ensemble portal and click Devices on the left-hand side of the screen. Once you are on your devices page, at the top of the screen here, under Deployment Options, make sure that you are on the selection entitled During Setup Wizard. As you can see here, the first of the two sections is called DPC Code. This is what we are looking for. In order to use this DPC code on a device, the device will either need to be fresh out of the box or freshly factory reset and not currently on your company assigned to a project. Once you turn the device on, move through the normal setup wizard as you would. Be sure that you connect to any available Wi-Fi or cellular networks if they are available. Once you get here to the Google account sign-in page, this is where we will enter the DPC code. As you can see here, I have typed in the code that is present on the devices page. After typing in this code, we will advance ahead through the setup wizard as normal. You will need to confirm the installation of Ensemble, and once we are through the wizard, we can see that Ensemble is now loading onto the device. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to stay up to date with any feature releases, tutorials, and helpful tips. Comment below any questions that you may have, and as always, reach out to us at support@ensemblemdm.com. Thank you, and have a fantastic day.